Hey guys, so boob tape season is among us, and it is time for us to pull out our sexy dresses, our sexy tops, our cut up tops, all the things. Cause it's hot girl summer, and so I'm gonna show you guys how I tape my boobs for a look like this. So first we're gonna get into this dress. So this is a super cute dress from Shein. I'm gonna angle the camera so you guys can see it. This is a super cute summer dress from Shein. It's flirty. I initially bought this dress to go salsa dancing in Colombia, but I didn't even wear it. I don't know why, but I didn't wear it. I had something else. But let me show you guys the dress. Mm, yeah, okay, you see it. And so yeah, so in order to wear just like this, I wear size HM bras. So I have to wear boob tape or else I wouldn't be able to wear this type of dress. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys. As you can see, I definitely have my boob tape on, and I'm gonna show you guys how I tape my boobs for this look. So let's get into it. All right, so today I'm going to be using Big Mama. Big Mama has got me so spoiled because I literally can tape my boobs in like 2 seconds because of the width of the tape. So I'm going to show you guys how I tape my boobs today. And the first thing you're going to do is what we always do, and that's measure. So this has a lot of openings right here, and we need to make sure that we measure where we're going so that we don't use too much tape. So in this area, I'm just gonna have to really focus on just going up my shoulder here, or I can just cut half the tape and just go from here to here. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. So I like to save on my boob tape because I want to get the maximum amount of use out of one row. So what I did was I started I started at the bottom here like this, and I just went up on my boob just like that. Okay, and I just repeated this motion over and over again. So I only did 3 strips for Big Mama. I really could have gotten away with 2, but I was going for a maximum lift in this dress, and I just used 3 strips. Okay, so I'll show you again what that looks like, and we're gonna do it again from here to here. You make sure you pull slowly as such, and you're just gonna repeat. Okay, just like that. As you can see, I have a little bit of extra tape showing around there, and that's never a problem. We're gonna take our scissors. I just take like some small scissors. You can get these from the beauty supply store, craft store, any store. And I'm just gonna cut just like that, okay? It's kind of tricky, especially when you're wearing like these tie-up dresses and tops and things. Whoop. And you're just gonna keep cutting, okay? Until nothing is visible. And that is how we're going to wear our cut up dresses, our tie up dresses, our boob dresses, anything that's got your boobs out and you're a big breasted girl like me. That's how we're gonna do it this summer, okay? So you can click the link in the bio. It's shopthetruelift.com and order you some boob tape today. I'm wearing Big Mama. Thanks. Happy shopping.